Here comes a freight train. Oh yeah, the heritage locomotive there. We're on the wrong side for it though. There's Elton.
It's a little bit unnerving because the train and it's tilted like that because
I
it's
know.
turning.
But did you see the heritage locomotive, the second one?
What was that engine?
It was an SD70ACU.
Okay, here we come.
I'll tell you later. Yeah, this is the Freight 133, and it's really flying through here. About 4:35 p.m. A lot of wind. There it is. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.